This smart-looking French door refrigerator from Fisher & Paykel offers a huge family-size capacity and a range of useful features that every kitchen can enjoy. From the outside, you can see that this refrigerator has a sleek stainless steel finish, which blends nicely in the kitchen, and the brushed metal handles along the doors provide quick and easy access to the interior. The surface of this fridge has an anti-fingerprint coating, a nice touch for those concerned about dirty hands smudging the exterior. Now, on the front over here, you can see the slimline indoor water dispenser, which provides free-flowing water on command, and it has been designed to fit almost any size jug or vessel without taking up useful storage space on the inside. Now, opening the refrigerator up here, we can see that there is plenty of space for everything with the 519-litre capacity. The adjustable spill-safe shelving and easy slide crisper drawers provide flexible storage space, and you can easily adjust the humidity on these crispers to create the right storage environment for your fresh produce. Large bottles fit comfortably in the adjustable door bins, helpful for those who wish to keep beverages upright and out of the way. This model features the ActiveSmart cooling system, which helps to keep food fresher for longer with its ability to adjust temperature, airflow and humidity based on your fridge habits. Looking below down here at the freezer, we can see that there is space to organise your items with the full width sliding drawers, and with the ice maker there is always a stockpile ready to be used. If you're looking for a family-sized fridge offering a range of useful features, you can't go past this French door from Fisher & Paykel. We hope you found this video helpful, and thanks so much for watching.